Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at the JASMY price set here. We are seeing quite a big size bounce here of something like 7% on the day, coming out of that 2.7 cents region, which was looking like a support level, obviously. But the question here is, are we out of the woods here with the JASMY price set? Now, I've said time and again that leading up to this moment, what we were looking forward to when we were down below here, right around 2 cents here, we were saying that JASMY was going to pull itself up back to something like 3 cents. But the reason why we were actually making a lot of noise down here, saying that we were going to get back to something like 3 cents, was not just the price heading back to 3 cents right and expecting gains, but the reason is we want to see some major confirmation right there on the JASMY price set to say that, you know what, we are no longer having the risk of pulling back down here to something like 2 cents and even breaking lower than that. So this confirmation is very, very important, and I've said time and again that we need to take this one actually very much seriously, right? I will say this though, I'm not rooting for the JASMY price set to fall to the downside. Actually, I want JASMY to break higher so that, you know what, we can actually all make money, right? Right now, of course, we are in a short position in the Patreon, not because we want JASMY to fall, but we're just reading the markets and understanding that, okay, look, we can profit from something like this here. But other than that, yeah, we are full-time JASMY bulls, but still every now and then we want to be taking advantage of the market, right? So with that being said, let me quickly get into the meat and potatoes of what really am I talking about here. And we will start here with the daily time frame, and you can see here that yes, we have broken trend, and we are looking like we are continuing the bullish trajectory. But again, that confirmation is still needed right around 3.2 cents here. And what really am I talking about? I'm going to show you here the 50 daily moving average, and really this has been the story with the JASMY price, that there's never been a point in time where the JASMY price that just obliterates the 50 daily moving average without, you know, having maybe 1, 2, 3 different trials, right? So we can see here, for example, back then in something like April, we were seeing a rejection sending the JASMY price at something like 30% down. Yeah, it happens. The second trial right around in May was obviously shallower, but we're also seeing the same kind of price action here where you can see that, okay, you break the 50 daily moving average, you have another trial here, massive rejection, and this was sending the JASMY price at something down like 23-24%. So things like this happen actually, but did it mean that the trend was broken down here? You can still see that the JASMY price had even continued higher, right? So that's pretty much the same thing here with JASMY. I'm still waiting for JASMY to do exceptionally well this bull cycle. I've showed you time and again that, look, we have got this value price, you can see it down below here, and I'm obviously comparing it to what the JASMY price that is doing. It really doesn't take expertise to see that, look, the market makers are pretty much doing the same thing, right? And you know, also the market participants are not changing, right? Our human behaviors are not changing relative to what, like, the kind of decisions that we make in the market. That's why you see this just, they look alike. And really what we are expecting for JASMY to do here is to go ahead and hit something like 54 cents. Looking at the Fibonacci retracement too, right? We were grabbing it from the very top here to the bottom here. We were seeing that this price exactly hit the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Did the same thing here for JASMY, that is taking us to something like 54 cents. So I'm with you 100%. I'm bullish on JASMY, but then again, immediate short term, we need to see this 50 daily moving average being cleared. Once we clear the 50 daily moving average here, we close maybe a few daily candles right around maybe 3.2 cents. I can tell you that, okay, look, we are out of the woods here with JASMY. Wanna be ringing all the bells to say that we are going. But for now, of course, we don't have that confirmation just yet. JASMY tried one more time today and really felt a little bit shy of that 50 daily moving average. So we'll see what eventually happens. As I mentioned already, we are already in a short trade, anticipating that we will get a rejection right there. I hope you guys don't get me wrong that I'm not a JASMY bear. Sometimes we just need to be capitalizing on the opportunities that we see, right? Obviously, this trade can go wrong as well. We obviously have got a stop loss. And just as I'm saying to you, that once we have that confirmation to say, okay, look, the 50 daily moving average is no longer a problem, I'm out of that short position as well, and maybe I may even open a long position on JASMY. I will be updating that one later on, right? But still here, if we take a look at other different indicators, the MACD, to be honest with you, is looking strong. It really doesn't look like any problem, to be honest, but the RSI is a problem for me, because what I've just seen with the JASMY price, that it is very, very, very sensitive to these RSI values. When you are failing to break above 60 on the JASMY price, that it has always been a problem. You're either ranging or you're slowly but surely going to the downside. Let me give you 2 examples here. The recent ones are like here back in June 2023, and I really remember these times very vividly, because like my mantra at that time was like, look guys, if we break $0.0018 on the JASMY price, that we are really going. But the only thing that was stopping the JASMY price that back then was the RSI breaking above 60. And we also saw here it was being supported right around 60, right? Meaning that, look guys, there is nothing to worry, right? The bearish side is not coming. The moment we were breaking below the support level here, it was lights out for JASMY. So what I'm trying to say here is that the RSI has kind of struggled of late to get above 60 for JASMY. And really, this is something that is very important to me in my analysis, and we have actually gotten it right each and every single time that we have done this kind of analysis on JASMY. So these are the two most important things I'm putting importance to. The 50 daily moving average, number one, once we clear that one, and we're also seeing that, look, the RSI is now trending above 60. JASMY is ready to go. There is no risk of us dropping the 2 cents low one more time. Now, maybe for extra confirmation, we want to see the BTC price even doing much better than this. Look, this is the last resistance that it has. So, I mean, once it clears this one, my anticipation would be that even JASMY would be reacting positively to this. We already know that JASMY is outperforming Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is breaking its resistance here, I definitely also expect JASMY to be breaking its resistance. So these are the things that we are looking for, obviously, right at this point. And really, I was running my mouth today, but I hope you appreciate it. And really, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. And then if you are new to the channel, I want to kindly ask you to subscribe, because really, I try all my best to come up with JASMY videos each and every single day and really talk to you about the things that I'm looking forward to. We have been doing this ever since 2022. And here we are with JASMY up something like, 800%. And it has been a fantastic journey. So just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.